Hey everybody, this is Matthew. We're going to talk about how to make a screen recording on your iPad right now so that you can demonstrate how to do whatever you want on your screen while everybody can follow along and listen. So here we go. Email me if you need some help. Have a good one. So we're screen recording, and to make a screen recording, all you need to do is from the right hand corner of your screen, right next to the battery symbol, you see the red rectangle that's up there. That tells you that you're recording right now. So you take your finger from that corner and you kind of swipe to the center of your screen. So you're going to pretty much touch the percentage sign, swipe to the center. If it doesn't work the first try, try again. You can see where the circle is now, the red one. That's the screen recording icon. So make sure you hold your finger on that icon and turn your microphone on. It defaults to off, so make sure that it's turned on. I'll turn it off right now so you can't hear. I turn it back on, you can hear me again. Where you see stop recording, it's going to say start recording. You can then go into your class, obviously, and you could show them an article database, your Google Classroom, walk them through that. Maybe you want to show a video, and it will play music, or it will play the sound that's on the video, if you want to. And then when you want to finish your video, all you need to do is hit the red rectangle up there, up top in the right hand corner, and the screen recording ends. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna hit the button, screen recording's over. Then your images will then go, your video then goes into your photos. And so in your Photos app right here, you'll find where your screen recording video is. So that's it. So that's how you make a screen recording video. If you want to learn how you can show yourself first, like I'm doing it, and then also doing a screen recording, I'm using iMovie and the screen recording function at the same time. So and as well as the video camera attached to my iPad. So if you want to check that out, watch my iPad iMovie screen recording video. Bye.